Hey everyone, this is Just a Tech and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I will show you how you can safely erase or reset your already iCloud bypass device without changing the iOS version. If you have already bypassed your device with any of the tool in the market, like in the free version like FRP or F3RAIN, or you have used the paid version like Checkmate, iRemove tools, or any of the iCloud bypass tool you have used on your device, and you want to test some other tools on your device, but the problem is you have already bypassed your device and it's on the home screen, as there is no reset option in the settings, as many of the iCloud bypass tool can delete the reset button for the safe side, as you cannot accidentally update or reset your device. So many tools remove this reset buttons, and also some update option is also not working in the iCloud bypass device, so that you cannot accidentally update your device and it will come on the activation lock screen. But the problem is you can reset or restore your device when the Checkra1n Jailbreak support the latest version, but currently all the iOS version that are supported by the Checkra1n Jailbreak like iOS 14.8 is currently unsigned by Apple, and the latest version that are available, that is iOS 15.1, but unfortunately Checkra1n doesn't support currently the iOS 15 jailbreak. So in this video I will show you how you can easily erase or reset your device without updating or resetting your iOS version, and you will remain on the same iOS version you are previously on. Like I have a device that is on the 14.8 and it's a iPhone 6s, and the currently latest iOS version that are supported with the Checkra1n Jailbreak is 14.8. So I will erase this device, and after the erase the iOS version is remain same. So the benefit of this method is that if you have tried the free tools but now you have to try some paid tools for the sim working like Checkmate or iRemove tools, you can use this way and reset your device without updating your iOS version, and then you can use any bypass tool again. So let's proceed to this method. Now first you have to jailbreak your device with the Checkra1n Jailbreak. So you have already know how to jailbreak your device and make the USB bootable. I have already made so many videos on that, so you will get the links in the description of all these files, so you can easily download the ISO file and make the USB bootable. Now I will just fast forward this video and make the USB bootable so that it will save your time. Now once the jailbreak done, you just need to go to your Windows machine again to proceed to the erase part. So I will wait for the Checkra1n loader to appear on the screen, that means the jailbreak is confirmed. Now I will just restart my PC and go to my Windows machine again. Now next you will require the FRP file tool, that is the latest version, currently is 2.8.1. So you can download the same software link from the description blog link, where you will find all the required links like Checkra1n ISO file and the FRP tool link. Now after that simply extract the tool. Once you open it, you will see all your information like your IMEI number, serial number, and your jailbreak status of your device and other tool options. First you need to register your device, that is completely free. I've already registered my device, that's why it's showing registered here, but for you it will show you unregistered, so you need to register your device first. So you have to just click on that link and it will give you on the website, and you can just copy and paste your serial number there, and after that it will erase your device. Now after the registration, you will see registered sign on your tool. That means you are ready. Now there is an option to erase your device from iOS 12 to iOS 13 and iOS 14. Now the next important setting, you have to go to your device setting, display settings, and you have to turn on your screen wake on, and after that you can increase your screen out timeout limit. And if you have set any passcode, you can just turn it off, and after that just click on the erase button and it will do your erase device completely. But the main feature is your iOS version remains same. So currently I am on iOS 14.8, and after the erase of the device, and it will come on the activation lock, but the iOS version doesn't change, it will stay on 14.8. So the benefit is you can easily jailbreak that iOS version and you can use any bypass tool, because I have got many questions related to this. Like many users have used the free tools before like FRP or F3RAIN, but now they want to use the paid tool so that they can access the SIM card like the Checkmate or iRemove tools. But the problem is if they restore or flash their device, it will come on the latest iOS version, that is the iOS 15, but the Checkra1n doesn't support iOS 15 yet. So the solution is this: you can use this method and easily erase your device so that you can use any other bypass tool you want on your device without changing the iOS version. So it's very useful trick if you have already iCloud bypass your device. So now you can see the erase process is started. So do not disconnect your device, just stay on this screen, and after that you will see your device will be completely wiped. So now the process is completed and the device is completely erased. So now you can jailbreak and use any tool. So I will show you the iOS version from the 3 tools, like it's on the iOS 14.8 like it before. So that's how you can use the FRP tool and erase your iOS 12 to iOS 14.8, iPhone 5s to iPhone X device very easily. And if you want to do the iCloud bypass with SIM working and all other premium services, just check out these videos. I've already made so many videos on the free method, also on the paid method, so you can check out from the description link. So till then, goodbye, take care and peace out.